In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily watch Telegram videos in-app without Terabox. Telegram already has a powerful built-in video player, so you don't need to open a browser or rely on external services. When you're in any chat or channel and you see a video, simply tap it. It opens in Telegram's full screen player and starts playing right away. The app automatically adjusts video quality based on your connection, so playback stays smooth whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data. To get the best experience, make sure your Telegram app is up to date. Newer versions include faster loading in large channels and a handy quality switcher. When you're watching a video, look for the gear icon to choose high, medium, or low quality. If your internet is strong, go with high. If you're trying to save data or your connection is spotty, medium or low will help prevent stutters. By default, Telegram will pick the best quality automatically, but it's nice to have manual control. There are also a few playback tricks that make watching more convenient. On iOS, swipe up from the player to enter picture-in-picture mode. This lets you continue watching while you browse other chats or even switch apps, and you can drag the floating window anywhere on your screen. On Android, double tap the left or right side of the video to skip backward or forward by 10 seconds. If you need to speed things up, press and hold on the player to reveal speed controls and set playback up to 2.5x. This is perfect for long clips or lectures. For videos shared as direct links in channels or chats, Telegram streams them natively so you stay inside the app. To make this seamless, check that auto download is enabled. Go to Settings, then Data and Storage, and open Automatic Media Download. Ensure videos are allowed for the connection types you use, like mobile data and Wi-Fi. Small clips will often autoplay, while larger ones buffer quickly without kicking you to a web page. If you want to revisit a video later, forward it to saved messages for quick access. Long press the video, tap forward, and choose saved messages. This creates your own private library so you can find key clips without scrolling through entire chats. And that's it. Tap to play, keep your app updated, adjust quality when needed, use PIP and gesture shortcuts, enable auto download for smooth streaming, and save favorites to your personal chat. No Terabox required. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.